Hello, and today we will be installing Nobara, NVIDIA Edition. First thing we will do is go into our BIOS. From there we'll go to the boot screen, and we'll go to boot option number 1. We will select the USB key, make sure that's number 1, save changes and reboot. From there, it should boot up, and then you want to top 1. This might take a little minute. There we go. It's loading. Right here we'll get an artifact. That's okay, that's a Pascal only thing and Turing only thing for NVIDIA GPUs. Don't be worried, it should take no longer than 30 seconds. There's our mouse cursor. Bam, we're in Nobara. It's live environment. From there, let this load up. Pick your language. I picked English. Next, time zone. I picked Chicago. Keyboard layout, English, US. Default, that's what I picked. You're going to want to pick erase disk, not install alongside. I have another version going alongside with this one. So if you are installing alongside another Fedora or Nobara install, just click that and click next. Otherwise, click erase disk and then select the disk, erase it all, and hit next. Here's your credentials. I picked noob. You should pick a password. This is where I was talking about the erase disk. And then you should get all the summary. Let it install. This is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes. Nobara is a good OS for it's meant for gaming and daily use. I've enjoyed it so far. I'd say it's compatibility wise just on par with the Steam Deck, which is kind of awesome. You're not going to get your Fortnites or your Apex Legends, but you will be able to get a lot of games in, and you don't have to rely on Windows. Maybe one day we'll do the home theater version of it. I have not tried that one out yet. The next video I will do, though, is on Bazite on both AMD and NVIDIA. I'm working on getting a 3000 series card. I want to do maybe like a 3050, and I'll do a home theater PC. We'll see how that goes. Here we go, it's finishing up. And bam, we're in there. From there, you're going to want to click restart now. Done. And as soon as that PC shuts off, take the USB stick out and let it reboot. And once it reboots, you'll be straight in to Nobara. So you want to click the, just let it go automatically. Bam. You're going to get that glitch if you're on Pascal or Turing. Don't worry about it. It's just switching from manual mode to driver mode. Then from there, you're going to want to update everything. You'll click yes, and then go through all these tabs. And then from there, you can enjoy your Nobara install. Here's the driver manager, and I will show you right here. The driver it's on 560.31, which is the most up-to-date Linux driver. Which before I think it was at 515 or 551. Now we're on 560. There's 9 more iterations of drivers that have been updated, which is nice. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Follow along for more. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye.